everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can unsend the sent pics on Hangouts. So I will firstly send a pic on Hangouts and then I will unsend it. So for that, first of all, obviously I will open Hangouts app. Make sure that you watch the full video. So let's start. As I have told you earlier, I will send her a pic and then I will show you how you can unsend it. I will click on the photo like icon and then click on allow and then send her a random pic and click on the arrow sign. And as you can see, the pic is uploading now. And now it is sent. So to unsend the pic, we will go to our browser and then click on a site, and from here we will unsend this pic. And if you are watching me continuously, you must know about a site where all the Google users can manage their images. So open your browser. And if you are not watching me continuously, don't panic guys, I will show you how you can manage your all images. So you have to search for a particular site called About Me. It is a site which allows you to manage your all private or public details. So we will search for it. Make sure that you don't insert a full stop or comma in between, since there are many About Me sites, and if you want to log in into the official Google link, so you have to type in this way only. Now you have to click on the first link that is provided by Google. And when you will click on it, your site will open. And you will see an interface like this, and from here you have to click on your profile picture. Once you will click on it, you will see an option of album archive at the bottom of your screen. So just simply click on that. It takes up to 1 to 2 minutes to open, so be patient friends. And when you will click on it, you will see a page like this. From here you can manage your Google photos as well as your profile photos and your Hangouts photos. So we will click on the photos from Hangouts option. And when you will click on it, all the photos that you have sent on Hangout will open to the particular person. So I have sent this pic at the bottom, so I will click on it and open it. And when it will open, I will delete it from the 3 dots at the top of my screen. Click on delete photo and the photo will be deleted from here also and from that Hangouts chat box too. Now it is deleting. Once you will refresh it, it will be deleted from here. So let me show you. I will scroll down and see whether the pic has been deleted or not. And as you can see, the pic has been deleted. So now we will go on Hangouts inbox and see whether the pic has been deleted or not. So just go back from here. And now I will open Hangouts and see. So I am opening my app and I will click on the inbox. And as you can see, it is showing you that it is unable to show image. That means that the pic has been deleted. And I hope you understood how you can delete and send pic on Hangouts. Bye guys, see you in the next one.
With